Hello Sheddies, and you actually joined me in my house tonight. I thought I'd put this quick video together. You may see in the title, the world's shortest renovation video, house renovation video. For months and months I've been saying that I've been doing my house up, and I've got hours and hours of footage. So I thought I'd put a quick video together to show you a bit of an insight to what I've done already. I'm not going to put explanations to what I've done yet, because I'm going to do a series on what I've done, because there's a lot of things in there that I've learnt. A lot of advice you can probably give me if I'm ever going to do this again. Probably not, but anyway, if I do. But there's loads of things I've picked up along the way that I want to share with you. So I thought I'd give you this bit of an insight to what I've done, a bit of a snapshot if you like. Hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.